Is Cardano a good buy or a good buy? For the longest time, we've had our reservations about Cardano ADA. While some adore its remarkable features, others are quick to speak against it as a result of its lack of growth in its ecosystem and coin price. When it comes to Cardano, there are many uncertainties. Perhaps we don't even know anything about Cardano. According to cryptocurrency experts and reports, Cardano is one of the most visible Ethereum competitors in the market today. It prides itself in being one of the most decentralized proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies that are also highly scalable and have low fees. With high volatility in the cryptocurrency market, it is natural to wonder whether Cardano is a smart investment or not. Is it even worthy of being among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization? In a similar vein, a question about Cardano's worth was once posted on Reddit. Does Cardano deserve its current place or position in the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem? This user was probably wondering how people felt about Cardano. Does Cardano deserve its current place or position in the wider cryptocurrency ecosystem? If yes, why do you feel that it does? If not, why do you feel that it doesn't? A user with the name KingH242 responded, Cardano has the best staking mechanism that I've seen yet. I'm not saying that I've tried every single proof-of-stake blockchain. However, I've tried most of the well-known proof-of-stake blockchains. Cardano is the only one that has liquid staking right out the box. No third-party contract, DEX entity is required. If I stake my ADA, then tomorrow I need to send or spend some, it is readily available. No slashing of stake. Did I mention no lockup period, no unbounding period, no super high momentum stake requirement? Another user commented, most L1s have been built by very smart people. They are all worthy. Cardano is different. It is built meticulously with a set of guiding principles, and this has been the harder path. Mathematically proving the design choices and selecting a language that allows for easier audit are the things that mean that Cardano's L1 is the most valuable in terms of correctness and rigor. IOG research is helping to move the state of the art forward. Short-term considerations about price, etc. are irrelevant. A house can have all kinds of alterations and extensions to the living quarters, but only a solid foundation will have a long-term value. Another opinion was posted, Cardano has the best foundations to build on, but this doesn't mean easiest when it comes to security, so development is slow, and adoption has been stunned by the bear market. I think a lot of smart pedio assume that they will be able to add privacy to blockchain later, but no one has, and that keeps adoption quite low. I think midnight will be the middle step the world needs for mass adoption. These opinions matter since they help to refine the way that Cardano is perceived by the crypto community. In contrast to investors who are perplexed at the state of the prosperity of Cardano's ecosystem without a rise in value, others are extremely bullish about it. We have been in this market long enough to know that, like most asset classes, cryptocurrency prices tend to move in tandem with each other in the near term. They are all influenced by the same macroeconomic factors like inflation and Federal Reserve policy, which impact investor risk tolerance and amount of capital available to put in the market. However, over the long term, some assets dramatically outclass their peers. Climbing up over 3,000% from its 2017 launch to become the 8th largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $21.97 billion, Cardano is one of the industry's top performers, and this trend is likely due to its technical advantages and effective branding. Its distinguishing features also make it a good buy. Unlike the current market leader, Bitcoin, Cardano is programmable. On top of serving it as a way to store and transmit value, it allows users to create decentralized applications, which offer services such as asset exchanges and art markets on the network. While dApp platforms are not quite common, Cardano's team sets itself apart through real-world partnerships, such as the 2021 deal with the government of Ethiopia to create a blockchain-based national ID system. The platform's aggressive development roadmap is also a massive edge, as there are perks everywhere for it. With the cryptocurrency market down by almost half last year, fear is the dominant emotion right now. Investors may want to wait for more positive macroeconomic data before jumping back into the market, thus making Cardano look like a great way to bet on a crypto rebound because of its technical advantages and active development. From the outside, Cardano looks set for a massive bull run, but not everyone thinks this way. Plus, the Cardano founder has never ceased to criticize other networks and their services. Is he satisfied with the way that things are for Cardano? In an interview, Charles Hoskinson took a jab at the Ethereum founder, Vitalik Buterin, for his low stake in the Ethereum 2.0 network. Hoskinson claimed that Buterin only staked 3,200 ETH out of his estimated 333,000 ETH holdings, which amounts to 1% of his total wealth. Hoskinson argued that this showed a lack of confidence and commitment in his protocol and contrasted it with his involvement in the Cardano staking system. Also, Hoskinson said that he staked all his ADA tokens, which are worth over $2 billion in the Cardano network. He said that this reflected his trust and belief in security and scalability of Cardano, which he claims is superior to Ethereum in many aspects. He also said that he's not afraid of losing his tokens, and he is confident that Cardano will succeed in the long term. On the other hand, Buterin did not respond to Hoskinson's criticism directly, but he had previously explained his reasons for staking only a small portion of his Ethereum holdings. In a blog post from December 2020, Buterin noted that he wanted to avoid creating a single point of failure for the Ethereum network, and that he preferred to diversify his staking across multiple validators and clients. He also said that he wanted to encourage other Ethereum holders to stake their tokens, and didn't want to appear as a central figure in the Ethereum community. Well, the situation's not surprising, since Hoskinson and Buterin have long had a history of rivalry and disagreement, dating back to their involvement in the early days of Ethereum. The two founders have often exchanged criticisms and opinions on each other's projects, as well as broader topics such as blockchain technology, cryptocurrency regulation, and social impact. While they have occasionally expressed respect and appreciation for each other's work, they have also maintained a competitive stance as they strive for dominance and adoption in the blockchain space. Furthermore, in Hoskinson's attempt to correct operational features of networks, he recently voiced strong criticism of the Bitcoin Beach project in El Salvador. According to reports, this project is known for its pioneering role in adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. Nevertheless, it has sparked debate due to its exclusive focus on Bitcoin. Hoskinson's critique centers on a key issue. The project shows a dismissive attitude towards other cryptocurrencies, including Cardano, so he argued that this approach is problematic and that it undermines the diverse potential of the broader crypto ecosystem. El Salvador's Bitcoin Beach project is groundbreaking in its Bitcoin-centric economy. However, just like Hoskinson's claims, it has faced backlash for its narrow perspective on cryptocurrency innovation. The project's recent comments have been particularly pointed. They target Cardano and other digital currencies as inferior or irrelevant. These remarks have ignited controversy. The response from Cardano's community to Hoskinson's remark has been varied, and it's interesting to note that a significant portion echoes his concerns. They question the long-term viability of a strategy focused solely on Bitcoin. In addition, they argue that this approach may stifle innovation. It could also limit the potential of cryptocurrencies as well. In contrast, a smaller faction within the community takes a different view. They acknowledge the importance of the Bitcoin Beach project. As usual, Charles Hoskinson's role in the crypto world is increasingly seen through the lens of controversy. His outspoken nature and critical stance on various issues have frequently put him at odds with other segments of the crypto community. Furthermore, for those who haven't been paying attention, cryptocurrencies are broadly ripping higher. A combination of factors is driving bond yields lower and spurring newfound interest in alternative risk assets. Moving out on the risk curve, investors looking to add risk to their portfolios appear to be targeting key cryptocurrencies to play this momentum. Regardless of the negative opinions, Cardano has recently received a shot in the arm due to a unique catalyst, one that investors appear to be paying close attention to. Stock and crypto trading platform Robinhood recently launched crypto trading in the European Union, tapping Cardano to be among its first cryptocurrencies listed on the platform. This move is important in the sense that the Robinhood had previously delisted the token on its US exchange, so for investors who are betting on crypto as a global asset class and view the more robust EU regulations as supportive of an eventual relisting in the US, this move could spark continued intrigue in beaten down Cardano. The crypto market has a tremendous amount of momentum right now, and we're seeing a big influx of capital into a sector that we haven't seen in some time. We would probably receive Cardano into our arms and then bid it farewell. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.